Hello and welcome to Hello Beauty with Emily. Welcome to my channel, guys. If you are new here, welcome. If you are not new, welcome back. I'm going to do a super fun, amazing St. Patrick's Day look for you guys because I am Irish, Scottish, and I love my heritage and I love celebrating St. Patrick's Day. It is so fun. Green is so fun to do, especially when you have like green eyes. I am ready to do this look. I'm going to be reviewing the Culture palette with Juvia's Place lip products as well. The middle one is a lipstick. The other two are lip glosses. I wanted to let you guys know this is an update after using the Sand and Sky face mask. If you haven't seen that video, I'll put it right here. My face has never felt softer and more exfoliated in my life. I'll give it to you there. I absolutely love it. It is great. I think you guys should go buy it. It's a great product. Let's begin this video. Ooh, this looks so pretty. Look at all these colors. Oh my gosh. So we're gonna take Tiv right here. That's what we're gonna do. If you guys didn't know, St. Patrick was a Romano-British Christian missionary who brought Christianity to Ireland. Just if you wanted to know a little fact about St. Patrick's Day, and now you know. I just wanted to say I did review this Juvia's Place glass lip gloss in So Glazed. I'm going to review the other two colors in my next video because I want to do more of an actual look with them instead of take this off and put this on and, you know, make this video longer. Nobody wants that. So I'm going to review these in my next couple videos. This is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I did making it because I honestly think it turned out way better than I expected because this is the first time I've ever done a St. Patty's Day inspired look. My leaf clover didn't come out too bad, and my little pot of gold over here I want to show you guys my little Irish pins. I'm like super lame, but I do have some. Oh, the little Irish lip for me. Oh. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please, 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 on your way out, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to turn on those post notifications so every time I post, you know when I post and you can get that notification. Please, guys, happy St. Patty's Day. Drink lots of beer for me because I don't really like beer at all. And have a great day. Stay cute, stay you, stay beautiful.